to lesson 6, creating box and whisker plots. There are a few steps to this one, and it might sound a little confusing, but just remember we are using the numbers that you have, the data set that you've been given. The whole point of this is so that you can say, I can display numerical data on dot plots, histograms, and box plots. Box plots are, without a doubt, the trickiest of the three, but they're not over the top, and we can do it. Here we go. We got our boxer, and whiskers. That's kind of how it's going to look. Solid boxes, little whiskers out to the edge, right? We're going to do some quick practice, and then you guys can work on your own. All right, so the problem number 1, for a box and whisker plot, we've got to find a few numbers first. As you can see, we have a lot of data here. This is our data set. What we have to do, just like anything else, we have to put it in order. I like to always put it in order, lowest to smallest to largest. So it's 52, 52. Look, we have one number that's messed up. 53, 55, 55. And you will see in a second why we put it in order. Oops, 58. Now what I got to do is I have to find my median, all right? I have to find the median of my data set. So there are 9 numbers here, okay? So that means I got 4 on either side. So number 5 is going to be 55. So that's my first median, which is also going to be known as Q2. So I go down here and I just put a line right here on Q2, right at 55. Now I have 2 sets of data on either side. I've got data that represents Q1 and data that represents Q3. Don't worry about Q1, Q3. We'll just figure it out. What I have to do for both of these is I have to find my median. I have to find the middle number. So for this, because there's 4, I have to add these 2 and then find the average. Well, over here it's 57. And right here it's 52.5, right? But what do I do with it? What do I do with it? Well, I come down here and I'm going to add it back in. So down here, I'm going to add in, where am I at? 57 right here. So I want to make my line 52.5. Need to make my line. Now that doesn't look like much, but trust me, it will be. Now I have to fill it in. So this is where the boxes come. I'm going to make my first box. Look at that. 1 box. And then 2 boxes. So now I have 2 boxes, so a box and whisker plot. And you're like, but Mr. Crenshaw, you said box and whiskers. Like, yes, I need some whiskers, right? I need a handlebar mustache. So what I do is I have to find my lowest number. I have to find my range. So I got my lowest number and my highest number. Lowest number is right here. 52, highest number is 58, which is right here. And then I just connect them like that. You will see some of these that are odd shaped, like this side right here will be really small and the side right here will be really long. It represents how many numbers kind of fall within that group. And as you can tell, we have 4 and 4, so they should be really close to the same size, right? And that's how that works. If you think you're ready, you can move on to the practice. If you need more help or more instruction, please watch the next video.